And then in this next section, it says filter processing order. And you may recognize this interface component right here as a sortable one. So we can drag and drop these items in order to change the ordering of the filters. So how would this come into play? So let's say, for example, that in this particular text format, we don't have the ability to add A tags or anchor tags. So we have the limit allowed HTML tags at the very top. Next, we have convert URLs to links. So because this already filtered out all of the HTML that wasn't supposed to be in the text area, this filter would still convert the textual links into HTML links. However, if these were reversed and we dragged the convert URLs into links to the top, this would convert the URLs to A tags, and then our limit allowed HTML tags would then strip out those A tags. So it would be as if this never actually happened. So the order matters in a lot of cases. Sometimes it doesn't, but changing the order sometimes can help resolve issues that you have with the output. Notice that just like with other sortable interfaces, that the changes aren't saved as we're doing them, and so we'll need to submit this form in order to save any changes. This means also that if you mess things up and you're not sure exactly what the order was before you made the changes, you can simply refresh the page and reset the order.